This is how to replace the key fob battery for your Kona or Palisade. If you ever get the dreaded key not detected and are reverting to pushing the button with your fob to get it to start, your fob battery is probably dead. Even if you get a little bit of light when you're pushing the buttons, your battery is likely too weak to send the signal. Replacement is easy once you get the thing open. Remove the interior key. And once you do, you simply need to pry the fob housing open along the seam. You can use a butter knife or a small screwdriver to do this, but getting any tool into the seam can be tough, especially the first time, and you might leave visible marks. But it can work. Personally, I like to start with the small notch above the key slot. There's a small line here, and if you insert your tool in here and twist it sideways, it opens the seam a little, and now you can get your tool in there. I highly recommend these plastic trim tools from Amazon. They're great for all sorts of things like this, and they're far less likely to leave a mark. Now that you have it open, you can just push the old battery out like so. And make sure the positive side is up on your replacement. If you can see little plus marks on both the battery and the fob, then you got it. Now, push the whole thing back together. Lining up these prongs is a good sanity check to make sure it's right. Now, your key fob should be working just fine.